everyone, my name is Manisha Chauhan. Today I want to express my views on the topic new education policies brought by the government of India. As you all know, the new education policies has been announced by the central government on 29 July 2020. After 34 years, such an education policy has come which will truly change the direction of education in India. These education policies has the potential to give Indian education a global identity. Its aim to fulfill a goal of Indian Sustainable Development Agenda 2030, under which everyone will be provided with equal and quality education, which will provide lifelong employment opportunity. The new education policy will promote self-sufficiency by removing unemployment, which will lead the country to move on the path of development. The new education policy 2020 is directed toward major reforms in school education and its envision an Indian central education system and contributes directly to transforming the country holistic development. And a wide choice of subject and course year to year will be a new distinguished feature of secondary school education. Under this policy, the best five features of the education policy is that after its implementation, student will be given vocational training from class 6th onward, which will promote employment education and build a knowledge-based society. NEP is aiming to raise a overall quality of education offered by most institution. Student who receive such an education will not just employable but will also then opportunity to become entrepreneur. In this way, it would be wrong to say that if then new education policy is implemented properly, then it will prove to be an ideal education policy. At last, I end my speech with the words education is liberalization, knowledge is power. Thank you.